Hey guys, so welcome to my home tour for Fall and Halloween 2019. Okay, let's get started. So, I'm gonna start with the outside, and this is just the scarecrow we got from Michael's. Had this for a while. I'm gonna call him Bernie, the scarecrow. He's really cute. We have this welcome mat we got from Target last year with the cute pumpkins that are smiling. And then the wreath we got from Hobby Lobby 4 years ago. And yeah, so that's the outside. I'm gonna go in. It's not gonna be one take because I don't edit. You guys know that, so. Okay. Let's do the downstairs first. So we're gonna go over here. This I've had for a long time. It's a cute little ghost candle holder with pumpkin. This I got from Big Lots, again 4 years ago. It's ceramic, really pretty. These flower arrangements I actually got from Dollar Tree, and I actually arranged them last year, and I kept them in the bundles, and I just put them in different vases this year. So all this is from Dollar Tree when it comes to all this flowers and stuff like that. A little scarecrow on it and everything. So yeah. And then we have these little candle ghosts that are so cute. I believe Target, but like in the 90s. They're actually vintage. They're from the 90s. And then we have these pumpkins from Dollar Tree. That's me. Hey, I just showered, so my hair's a little damp. Dollar Tree. Really pretty. I love the glittery pumpkin and the cranberries with the flowers. I don't know where we got this from. This is just there because it's just part of the decoration we always have. Happy Fall. This is from Hobby Lobby. Target. No, I'm sorry. Hobby Lobby for the pumpkins. Dollar Tree. Happy Harvest. Love that. And then the basket we always have. I don't know where we got that from. And then Dollar Tree again. So I'm going to back up to show you everything, how it looks. Really pretty. And that's that. And then really quick, I'm just going to show you the kitchen. We just have one sign there. I decided to put the sign here. This one from Dollar Tree. And this I got last year. I just saved it because I like it so much. Okay, so now we're going to go all the way upstairs. So you can see how the floor looks like until we get upstairs. And the carpet. Okay. I'll do the bathroom first, and then I will do the spooky layer, I call it. I didn't put any decor in my room this year, but, oh, here we go, Dollar Tree. Cute, the pumpkins. Dollar Tree has the best decorations. I always say that every year. It's Hobby Lobby. A lot of these are from last year. You probably remember them if you've been here for years. Happy Harvest. Hobby Lobby. These are all from Dollar Tree. No, I'm sorry. These are from, like, the little statue things are from Target, from the $3 section. Very, very cute skeleton pumpkin with a candy corn, and then we have the witch, and then the white pumpkins are from Dollar Tree. And that is it. I guess I'll show you the fall soap I'm using. Apples and brown sugar. I finished this so quickly. This has been like 2 days. I already finished most of it. I go through soap really quickly. And then sweet cinnamon pumpkin for the room spray, bathroom spray. Almost finished with that, sort of halfway through. Okay, let's go to the main area. This is so cool. I have it dark because it looks more scary when it's dark. Lights are kind of turned off here. We have this painting, which if you can see, turns scary when you go this way and then becomes normal. You see, so it's normal and then it gets scary as you walk by it. You see, they get like zombie faces. That's from Michael's. This is, I believe, from Michael's, I believe, the skeleton. He's hanging this year. That is vintage, I believe, from Target, like in the 90s. These two tombstones are from Dollar Tree, Creepy and Rest in Peace. And the skull is from Michael's. And then I believe these garland are from Michael's as well, with the pumpkin heads. And the leaves are from Hobby Lobby. Very cute. So I'm gonna back up and show you everything, how it looks. Okay. We have this pumpkin spice and everything nice. Let me turn this on real quick. Here we go. Pumpkin spice and everything nice from Dollar Tree. These are from Hobby Lobby. And then my favorite part is all this. Okay, so we have the Little Witch's Corner. I don't remember where this is from. I've had this for a long time. Had it for a long time. Actually, all this I've had for a long time. I don't remember where we've got it. Probably have had this for like, could be 10 years, 20 years. The two witches and the pumpkins. These ghost lights are my favorite. They really are. I love them so much. We have to replace the light in them every year because they fail, but it's worth it because it looks so pretty. I'm gonna show you up close. Before you ask where I got them from, I think Target, but like literally maybe like 25 years ago, like forever ago. They are so pretty. I love them. I just absolutely adore them. So yeah. Signs are from Dollar Tree this year. That's from, I don't know where, but we've had that for a long time. Boo, Dollar Tree, Happy Halloween. Target, I believe, from years ago. These ones with the sayings are all from Dollar Tree, the saying ones, like the, you know, signs, all the sayings. The hanging ghosts are from Michael's, Target years ago, Dollar Tree for the Black Hat Society. You know, notice how that's hanging above the witches thing, so it's like very cute, right? Did that on purpose. Very cute. Boo, love that. That's how it looks from afar. So yeah, I hauled everything new in the Epic Halloween Fall. I was a torrid. Dollar Tree haul that I posted last week. So if you want to see everything up close, all the new signs, you can go watch that haul. Okay, that's it for this year's tour for the Fall and Halloween House Tour. I do another one of these for Christmas time. Towards the end of November usually, or beginning of December, so look out for that. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, happy fall and happy Halloween. Bye guys.